Welcome everyone. Today for our science experiment, we are going to be making oobleck. This is a favorite to play with in our classroom. I would highly recommend for this activity to have old clothes on your child or smocks of some form. For this activity, you're going to need a bowl, water, food coloring is optional, cornstarch. You can also use a spoon to stir this up. I always just use my hands. To start with, for this recipe, I'm going to do a smaller batch. So I am going to do 1 cup of water. This would be a great time to have your children pour from a larger measuring cup into a small one and working on that skill of pouring. And then I'm going to put this into my bowl. I'm going to set that aside. And then if needed, I do have more water for later in case I get too much cornstarch in. If you get too much cornstarch, then you can just add more water and go back and forth until you get the consistency that you like. So I'm going to slowly start to put in the cornstarch. I'm going to do a 1/2 cup at a time. This would be another great time for your child to help fill up the measuring cups and dump them in. It's an easy activity for them to do, and it works on their fine motor skills of holding the measuring spoon or holding the container and dumping it into the measuring spoon. I'm going to go ahead and do another 1/2 cup. Or more. It's okay, it is not an exact science for this one. And now, since I have a little over a cup in here, I am going to mix it up some. And if you've never played with oobleck, you want it to the point where you can make it hard and into a ball in your hand, but when you open up your fingers, then it just goes through. So right now, you can see it's very runny still, and there's a lot of liquid left in the bottom of my bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to dump the cornstarch into the bowl. Okay, so I have the consistency that I really like now. I did have to go back and forth a couple times and do a little bit more cornstarch and a little bit more water to get it to this point. But now I can put it and it will go through my fingers. But I can also mold it into something if I would like. And this is fun for all ages. And one of the nice things about this activity is I just went and I rinsed my hands off with water underneath the sink and I'm all clean. Nothing more needed than water to get it off of your hands since it is just cornstarch and water. If you guys would like, you can also put food coloring in it. I did not do that today. I got my hands a little bit too messy and forgot about it and didn't end up putting it in. But it is fun to put the colors in it and then slowly knead it through to make the whole thing change into those colors. I hope that your family enjoys this little science experiment and enjoys making a little bit of a mess and having fun. Have a good afternoon.